This is the weekly weather briefing by the National Weather Service in Spokane for the week of Monday, August the 24th. For our overview, we have air quality concerns that are going to go on throughout the week. We also have a potential for thunderstorms for the night and morning hours over the next 3 nights. Rain and breezy conditions are expected for Saturday, and then showers are in store with cooler weather for Sunday and Monday. This is a map showing the area's wildfires. They are numerous and they are large. The Okanagan complex here in Okanagan County is now the largest wildfire in Washington history. These fires are producing a lot of smoke, and this is a satellite image this morning showing all of the wildfire smoke that is being produced. You can see that conditions are especially bad in north central Washington as well as down here in the southern panhandle. As a result, the air quality in these areas is especially poor, hazardous in the Okanagan Valley and the Clearwater Valley, and a large swath of the inland northwest is in the unhealthy category. We do not expect much change in these conditions through the week. Potentially by Friday or Saturday, things will start to improve. You could see improvement for a time, but not certainly for the entire week. We also have thunderstorms in the forecast. The first episode potentially could be tonight, where we expect thunderstorms will develop over central Oregon and track across the panhandle and into northwest Montana. These storms would produce little in the way of rain, but could produce lightning that might start new fires. Also could have some gusty winds if you're close to any of the thunderstorm cells. On Tuesday, Tuesday night into Wednesday, a repeat performance is possible. The track looks like it might be a little bit farther to the west. Uncertainty is growing as this gets out into the future a little bit. And then on Wednesday, uncertainty is even more so, with a larger area possible, but not necessarily meaning that we're going to have more widespread thunderstorms. But these are a possibility. We don't see them making it over into the Cascades, staying mainly in the basin and the Idaho Panhandle. We are going to see warmer weather for the middle part of the week. Most locations will be in the low to mid 90s for Wednesday and Thursday, and then temperatures will start to cool down as a front starts to approach our area, and we will see that in the chances of rain increasing for Saturday and Sunday. This is a computer forecast showing the potential rainfall from one computer model for Friday night and Saturday, and you can see a large area of ½ inch in purple and upwards of over an inch in these yellow areas. This is one computer forecast where it doesn't show nearly as much rain for the southeast Washington and the southern panhandle. This is another forecast from a different computer model and shows a similar message, that the heaviest rain in central Washington, much less rain over southeast Washington and the southern panhandle. A third computer forecast would have an alternate scenario of keeping all of the rain west of the Cascades over western Washington. Eastern Washington and the Panhandle would see little if any kind of rain from this kind of a scenario. And in all three scenarios, it does look like it would be a breezy to windy Saturday. These are sustained winds that are forecast, and you can see that winds in some areas of the basin and the Palouse will be 20 to 25 miles an hour with higher gusts. So blowing dust is a possibility. A lot of that would depend on how much, if any, rain fell before those winds start in Saturday afternoon. The 8 to 14 day outlook for the first week of September gives below normal temperatures and above normal precipitation to the area of the Pacific Northwest. We'll have to see whether that truly does materialize. At least we're not looking for the return of really hot and dry weather at this point. And that concludes the briefing from the National Weather Service. As always, you can stay in touch with us online at Facebook and Twitter and our website.